Papaya leaves can be used on plants as a botanical pesticide to control pests and as an organic fertilizer to enrich the soil. As a pesticide, papaya leaves contain bitter substances and compounds such as papain, flavonoids, and the alkaloid carpane, which are effective against pests like caterpillars and aphids. As a fertilizer, papaya leaves can be processed into a liquid or solid organic fertilizer that is rich in nutrients and helps fertilize soil microorganisms. How to make? Prepare about 1 kilogram of papaya leaves. Pound or blend until smooth. Add about 10 liters of water, and add additional ingredients such as kerosene or detergent. Let it steep for 24 hours, then strain to obtain the extract. Dilute 2 to 2.5 cups of the extract with 10 to 14 liters of water, then spray evenly on the plants. Add water. Pour water until the onion skins are submerged. A common ratio is about 500 grams of onion skins to 500 milliliters of water. Coffee grounds are good for plants because they contain nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, and other minerals that enrich the soil and promote plant growth. Besides being a fertilizer, coffee grounds can be used as mulch to retain moisture and prevent weeds, as well as help repel pests and deter cats from plants. However, avoid excessive use and use of certain types of coffee grounds, such as those that have a high temperature. Liquid organic fertilizer is a nutrient solution produced by fermenting organic materials such as plant residues, animal manure, and other organic waste. Liquid organic fertilizer is more easily absorbed by plants because the nutrients are readily available, effectively stimulating growth and can be used as a spray or watering agent. Papaya leaves are beneficial for plants because they can be used as a botanical pesticide to control pests such as caterpillars, aphids, and termites, as well as an organic fertilizer that enriches the soil. Their main benefit is as a natural pest control because they contain compounds such as saponins, carpane alkaloids, and papain, which are toxic to insects but safe for humans and the environment. As a natural botanical pesticide pest control, papaya leaves are effective in eradicating pests such as caterpillars, mealybugs, aphids, and termites. How they work. Papain works as a contact poison that damages the insect's digestive system. Flavonoids attack the insect's nervous system, reducing its ability to move. Carpane alkaloids inhibit the action of bacteria on insects by converting proteins into peptones. Onion peels are beneficial for plants because they function as a natural botanical pesticide to control pests and a nutrient-rich organic fertilizer to nourish plants. They contain flavonoids, acetogenin compounds, and minerals like potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium, which help improve plant growth, endurance, and productivity. Main benefits of onion peels for plants. Plant-based pesticide. Contains compounds like flavonoids and acetogenins, which can disrupt the digestive system of pests. The essential oils in onion peels act as natural insect repellents, helping protect plants from pests like aphids and termites. Organic fertilizer. As a source of nutrients, onion peels contain various essential minerals like potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, and iron, which are essential for plant growth. These minerals help stimulate root and stem growth and improve plant metabolism. Coffee grounds are beneficial for plants as a natural fertilizer rich in nutrients like nitrogen, potassium, and magnesium, and help repel pests and fungi. Furthermore, coffee grounds also improve soil structure, aid aeration, and increase air retention. Benefits of coffee grounds for plants' natural fertilizer. Coffee grounds are rich in nitrogen, potassium, and magnesium, which are essential for plant growth and aid in photosynthesis. Soil fertility enhancer. Adding coffee grounds to soil can enrich compost and improve overall soil health. Pest repellent. The aroma of coffee grounds and their abrasive texture can help repel pests like snails, ants, and other insects. Fungus repellent. The caffeine in coffee grounds has antimicrobial properties that can help prevent fungal growth on plants. Organic liquid fertilizer can be applied by spraying it onto the leaves or pouring it onto the soil. For optimal results, dilute the fertilizer with water, for example, 1:10, and spray it in the morning or evening when the stomata are wide open, or pour it around the plant stem according to the recommended dosage. Application method: spraying on the leaves. Mix the liquid fertilizer with clean water at the recommended ratio, such as 1:10, or according to the package instructions. Spray evenly on the undersides of the leaves, especially around the stomata. In the morning between 6 o'clock and 9 a.m. or in the afternoon between 4 o'clock and 6 p.m. Avoid spraying during hot sun, before rain, or at night. If it rains less than an hour after spraying, repeat the spraying process. Spraying on the soil. Mix the liquid fertilizer with water at the correct ratio. Pour the liquid fertilizer solution around the plant's roots or in the growing medium. The dosage can be doubled for applications to the stems and roots, and repeat regularly every 1 to 2 weeks. The best time to apply liquid organic fertilizer is in the morning between 6 o'clock and 9 a.m. or in the afternoon between 4 o'clock and 6 p.m. These times allow for cooler air temperatures, maximizing plant nutrient absorption and preventing rapid evaporation. Avoid applying fertilizer during hot sun or before rain. Best application times morning. 6 o'clock to 9 a.m. Temperatures are still cool and dew has not completely disappeared. Once the dew has disappeared, the ideal time is afterward. Afternoon, 4 o'clock to 6 p.m., after the sun's heat has subsided and the air temperature has cooled, just before sunset. Things to consider during hot sun. Application during hot sun can cause rapid evaporation, reducing the effectiveness of fertilizer and stressing the plant. Avoid during rain. Do not spray fertilizer immediately before or during rain, as it will be washed away and wasted. Humid conditions. For best results, apply fertilizer after watering the plant or after a rain to ensure the soil is moist and the fertilizer is more easily absorbed by the roots. Frequency. The general application time is once every 1 to 2 weeks, depending on the plant type and soil conditions. During the dry season, the frequency may need to be increased, but be careful not to overdo it. Signs of healthy plants after applying organic fertilizer include bright green leaves, rapid growth, and strong stems and roots. The surrounding soil will also feel loose, blackish-brown, and contain active soil organisms such as earthworms. Signs in plants' leaf color. Leaves are bright green and healthy. Growth. Plants grow quickly and normally. Harvest yield. Produces fruit or a good harvest. Stems and roots. Stems and roots appear sturdy, indicating good growth. Signs in soil texture. The soil feels loose and not compacted like clay. Color. Blackish-brown due to its richness in organic matter and minerals. Soil organisms. Many earthworms and other beneficial organisms are active, indicating good decomposition. Structure. Has a good, hollow structure for optimal drainage and aeration capacity.